Where's the good lighting? Is this the good lighting? Okay. Hey y'all. We're in Nashville.
Period.
For New Year's. Period. I've never been to Nashville. So this is about to be a cute little weekend trip. And y'all are finna come along. And yeah. Don't know what we're doing tonight. But I'll check back in with y'all later, okay? Alright. Goodbye. Alright. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick Airbnb tour. It was super cute, super girly, and just overall a vibe. This is the cute sitting room area, and then this Airbnb had 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. 2 bedrooms were upstairs, 1 bedroom was downstairs. The bedroom downstairs had the bathroom that was kind of on the middle level, and then the 2 bedrooms upstairs each have their own bathroom. I didn't film the bedroom or bathroom that was downstairs because I kind of forgot, but I'll leave the link to the Airbnb below in case you want to check it out or book. I shot another video in the morning so you can see what the Airbnb looks like, you know, in that morning light. It was just super cute. And then I also realized I didn't film like the kitchen area for you guys. So you get a snippet of what the kitchen looks like. It's just so cute and just a great choice. Since the first day was like a travel day, we just stayed in, ordered food, and played games. We tried Hattie B's because Nashville is known for their hot chicken, and we got Shut the Cluck Up, which was their hottest one. And y'all, when I say the whole kitchen table was silent because our mouths were on fire, but the chicken was really good. And then we played Truth or Drink and went to bed. Hey guys, so we're back. Last night was just a really chill night. We ordered hot chicken from Hattie B's. We got the hottest spice. Our mouths were burning on fire. And then we just stayed in, drank, played some games, and yeah, and just had a girls' night in. And now we are getting dressed, about to go to brunch, and then we're probably gonna like walk Broadway Street. And yeah, before tonight, we're going out tonight for New Year's Eve, so that should be interesting. And yeah, let's go. Quick outfit check. The dress is from Zara, the boots are from Public Desire, and then the shades are from Free People. Brunch, we went to Broadway, where all of the bars, restaurants, shops are very, you know, famous street when you come to Nashville. So we just went in and out of the bars, really just bar hop, had shots, listened to music, and yeah, super fun. On Broadway, we went back to the house, changed, ate, got dressed, and then we went to Weekend Hang Suite to bring in the new year. After we got ourselves together, we went to the National Museum of African American Music the next day. It was so cool. They give you a wristband when you first start that you can like scan the wristband at different music stations in like each section, and then it will email you all of the songs and create a playlist for you that you can use for like up to 60 days. And I thought it was like the coolest thing ever. And then there are a bunch of different like interactive stations. So this one, we got to be a part of the Nashville Super Choir. So cool. And then we also could like scan our wristband after this, and we received like the recording video of ourselves. And yeah, it was just the coolest thing ever. After we left the museum, we went to Assembly Food Hall, which is like a mall of different food vendors, and we had like dinner, and then we went to Escape the Trap Nashville. So like escape room, but escape the trap. And it was interesting, I will say. Hey y'all, I haven't checked in with y'all during this vlog really at all, but we're just having such a great time. Today we went to the National African American Music Museum. That was so much fun. We were there for about like an hour and a half, walking through the museum, learning about different artists and you know, the impact that their music has had on the current times now. And it was just so cool. They gave us a little wristband where we could like save all of the music and like activities that we do. We did like a gospel dance activity, we did an actual dance activity, then we did a rap activity. It was so much fun. And then we did in like an escape room, but it was called Escape the Trap. So we had to escape the trap house. And that was really fun as well. And then we went to the Assembly Food Hall, which is basically like a mall, but of just different food shops and different food vendors. And we ate there, we had Princess. And yeah, it's just been a really good time so far. Yesterday was a blast. Today, even though today was a chill day because it was pretty much raining and gloomy all day, and we were also tired from yesterday, so it was just nice to have like a fun chill day. And yeah, now we are changing into our PJs. We all have matching PJs, and we're gonna bake cupcakes, have some girl time, play some games. And yeah, I will check in with you guys later on tonight, and then I will check in with you guys tomorrow, of course. And then look, just got my manicure, and this whole finger came off. I'm sad about that. But yeah, I'll check in with y'all later. a few of us had to be up at the crack of dawn to drive an hour and a half away to go to the Jack Daniel's Distillery. We got a tour of the distillery and how Jack Daniel's makes their whiskey, and then at the end we got to do a taste test. It's so small
and quaint, you know.
Like, we just finished the whiskey tasting, y'all, and we feeling a little buzzed, right? Not even gonna lie.
We feel great, actually.
We feel great. We feel great. But yeah, the tour was like really cool because, you know, when you think about like making alcohol and all this stuff, like you think there's like steps and stuff, but like you actually get to see like
it's real complex.
It's real complex.
It's real complex.
It's real complex.
Cool.
It's very cool, very cool, very innovative, you know. Yeah, it's a lot. And now we're headed to the what is it called? Town Square.
Town Square.
Town
We
Square.
gonna get this crack sandwich. You gonna get the crack sandwich. That's what they called it.
That's our tour guide called this like barbecue sandwich, crack sandwich, because apparently it's just so good.
I would like
so we're gonna go try it.
I would like to
because we're also feeling good because we had to be on the bus by 9 a.m. So that means we did not eat any breakfast. So
R.I.P.
Rest in peace to us because
the liver is working overtime.
We need food and we need it right now. Right now. And yeah, we'll check in later when we find the sandwich, okay? All right. Goodbye, y'all. After we finished eating, we walked around the town square and then we went to this candy shop because I wanted to try their chocolate covered bacon that they had. And then after that we went home, and then the next day was a travel day because we had to leave. So this is the end of the vlog, y'all, and thank you as always for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.